Sometimes our Android Smart TV's Google Assistant doesn't work properly. Google claims I will do it, but it neither works nor lets us do anything. So who will get the job done? Don't worry. In this video, we will learn how to fix this issue step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Easily Learn Easy and set the bell icon to all for future updates. When Google Assistant doesn't respond, it usually displays an error message, and this can happen for several reasons, and the first step is to check if the Google app is enabled. If the app is disabled, Google Assistant will not work. To fix this, go to your TV settings, open additional settings, and navigate to apps. Search for the Google app and enable it if it's disabled. In some cases, the app might have been accidentally disabled, so re-enabling it resolves the issue. Another common reason for Google Assistant malfunctioning is that the microphone on your remote is disabled. If your remote's microphone isn't working, Google Assistant will fail to recognize voice commands. To resolve this, go to Settings, then open Apps and navigate to App Permissions. Here, ensure the microphone option is enabled for the Google app. If it is disabled, enable it manually to allow the app to access the microphone. If Google Assistant still doesn't work, you might need to clear the cat data and cache. To do this, go back to Apps, find the Google app and select Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. This will reset the app completely, and in many cases it fixes the issue. If the problem persists, try uninstalling updates for the Google app. Go to Settings, open Apps and select the Google app. Then choose Uninstall updates to remove the latest version. After doing this, you'll need to set up Google Assistant again. Press the Google Assistant button on your remote and follow the setup process to configure it. Lastly, ensure that your Google app is up to date. An outdated app can cause compatibility issues. Open the Google Play Store, search for the Google app and click on Update. Once the update is complete, return to the home screen, restart your TV and set up Google Assistant again. By following these steps, your Google Assistant should start working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. See you in the next video.